In this video, we'll edit the footage together to make it look like it's seamless, and it creates a full narrative. I've downloaded all of the filmed footage to my computer, and it went to my downloads folder. So what I want to do is I want to right-click on all of my files and click on New Folder, and then name that folder Linear Shots. And then take that folder and put it into your class folder for this class. And if I were you, I would put the folder for this class and all the work that you do on your computer into the Documents folder. I'm going to work off my desktop, so it's easy for you guys to watch what I'm doing. We went over all of the files in the previous video. We're going to import all these files into Premiere Pro. Open up Premiere Pro and click on New Project. We're going to name this Linear Shots. Click on Choose Location and make sure that you're putting your Premiere Pro file next to your filmed footage and press Select. And then click on Create. You'll see it pop over here in the Linear Shots folder, and Premiere Pro opens. We know that the first two videos I don't need anymore, so I'm going to delete them. I want this video, this is the medium shot. I don't want this video, I want the second one that I shot of myself with a glass of water, so I can delete this video. This is the filmed footage I want of the wide shot, so I can remove this one. And now I have 4 videos. Let's select each one and drag them into the timeline and drop them. Now they're in linear order, which means I wanted to have this shot, and then this shot, and then this shot, and then this shot. Do a Command S to save so far. I want this video to be very short, anywhere from like 15 to 30 seconds. What you're trying to do this week is understand how to film linear and then edit these filmed footage together to create a story and then add some music to it to give that story a feeling. Right now, my filmed footage adds up to about 1.5 minutes. I want to get it down to around here, 30-second mark to the 15-second mark. This lesson will continue in the next video.